First up is Dropover. It's like a temporary shelf for your files. You can just drag a file, shake your cursor, and Dropover opens a little shelf where you can drop it off. You can even use it for storing text. From there, you can drag it into a folder, an email, a browser, whatever. It's perfect for moving files between apps or collecting things before organizing them. It's lightweight, fast, and feels like a built-in macOS feature once you start using it. Next is Alfred. It's basically an improved version of Mac's Spotlight search. You can use it to launch apps, search for documents, images, music, or look things up on Google. But for me, the best reason to install this is because of how much faster it is than Spotlight. It's a huge time saver and makes your Mac feel way more powerful. App number 3 is Maccy, and it's one of my favorites. Maccy is an app from GitHub. It's a clipboard manager, and if you've never used one before, it'll change your life. Maccy keeps track of everything you copy, from text, links, images, and even file paths. You can quickly paste something if you copied it 10 minutes ago or 10 days ago. It's one of those apps you didn't know you needed until you can't live without it. Last but not least is Amethyst. This is another GitHub app. However, it's a tiling window manager, meaning it automatically arranges your windows so nothing overlaps. It's great if you're tired of dragging and resizing windows all the time. You can quickly swap layouts, move windows with shortcuts, and keep your workspace tidy without touching your mouse. It takes a bit to get used to, but once you get the hang of it, it's a game changer. And that's it. 4 simple Mac apps that quietly make a big impact. If you use any of these or have your own favorites, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.